Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video I'm going to answer the question, how much does it cost to add a bathroom to your home? Like, what's the actual cost of this? I'm going to explain this in two ways because there's really two ways to do it. The first is you take existing space inside the home. Let's say you have, a large living space and a closet, and you want to add a bathroom somewhere in there and take away some of that interior space, but still add the bathroom. Something like that is probably going to cost you, if I'm assuming you're going to do what's called a three-piece bathroom, which means it has three plumbing fixtures, which is a vanity, a toilet, and either a tub or shower. And so something like that is typically going to cost you somewhere on the order of $20,000 to $30,000, depending on the specifics of what all is around it and what is affected by the project. Because realize that you're cutting out the concrete, you're putting the pipes underground, tying in the plumbing, you're having to build new walls. There's a lot of work that goes into that. And it really does take a lot of effort and a lot of really good planning. Now, in addition to that, you should usually plan on spending anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 to get plans drawn and have a full-blown architectural design in order to get that process actually started. So you're looking at, on the high end, $35,000 to add a bathroom on the interior of your home. Now, the thing to consider is, let's say you're in a neighborhood where all the houses are 4-3s, 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, and yours is a 4-2. Like, just for whatever reason, it only has 2 bathrooms and the rest of the houses on the street have 3 bathrooms. You might spend that $35,000, but you might increase the value of the property by $35,000 because it now matches with the rest of the comps in the neighborhood, and nothing has to be taken out from doing a comparable sales analysis between your house and another one. So that's something to think about, is adding a bathroom in that way could actually be a net zero, like no loss, no gain, or it could be a gain, or it could be a slight loss, but you're gonna get a lot of equity back when you're doing this typically. It's a very ROI, return on investment, ROI positive thing to do. Now, that's one way that you can add a bathroom to your home. The second way that you can add a bathroom to your home is by actually expanding the footprint of your home and really adding to the square footage. So let's say, on your master bathroom or on your master bedroom, for some reason it didn't have a master bathroom, and you want to take, a window, blow it out, and then add a bathroom right there and make that the new doorway into the bathroom. That can totally be done. We do that all the time. And what that looks like is typically for, again, a 3-piece bathroom. That's gonna be somewhere in the ballpark of 100 to 150 square feet. That'd be a nice spacious bathroom. You're gonna pay somewhere on the order of $50,000, but depending on the exact finishes, how we set up the bathroom, whether we add more plumbing fixtures, these can easily get up into the $70,000 and $80,000 range because of things like, is the roof, how's the roof getting tied in? Is it tile or shingle? What type of finish level do we have? Do we have really, really nice tile? Are we doing more basic tile? And then what do the plumbing fixtures inside look like? Are we doing all Hansgrohe valves? Or are we doing just basic Delta or Moen valves? And then what do the cabinets look like? So there's a lot of variables in there. I know I'm throwing a lot of different numbers and names at you, but the bottom line is there's 2 ways to add a bathroom to your house. The first is to do it on the inside and use existing interior space. That's less expensive. You're looking on the high end at around $35,000 there. Now, I say on the high end for a typical bathroom, it could always be more. Realize you can always add more. You can do the flooring in the whole house. It can always go up from that. And then on the room addition side, if you're actually adding a room, and you're actually adding it into the house, like actual added square footage, that's going to be somewhere on the high side, around that $80,000 to $90,000 range. Again, plan on paying a professional architectural designer to do that. If you need help planning a project like this, like you're like, I'm not even sure if I'm going to do this, like right now, but I would like to work with an actual designer to see what we can do here. Home Love Construction is a design build firm. We do architectural design services for people. So you can send an email to, you can go to homelove.construction/design to find out about our architectural design services and get help with your bathroom. If you need an external, we'll help you figure out which is the better way to add it. And even if you're not in the Tampa Bay area where we actually build, we can do a remote design with you and actually vet the contractors who are going to wind up doing the project to make sure that you have an amazing design and you're in the right contractor's hands when you actually go to start this project. So that said, go to homelove.construction/design, and I look forward to having a conversation with you and someone on our team very soon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vid. Peace.